Is this the future of coding? Are we looking at a world where human developers are becoming obsolete? Or is there more nuance to this statement than it first appears? We're going to break it all down, so make sure you stick around to the end to get the full picture. In the ever-evolving world of technology, statements like Mark Zuckerberg's can send shockwaves through industries and spark heated debates. Recently, the Facebook co-founder and Meta CEO made headlines by claiming that AI will soon replace most software developers. But what exactly does he mean by this? And how realistic is his prediction? Let's unpack it. Zuckerberg's remarks came during a conversation at the Meta Connect event, where he discussed the role of artificial intelligence in shaping the future of software development. He noted that AI tools have already started playing a significant role in coding and development processes. And in the near future, these tools could take over many of the tasks traditionally handled by human developers. But before we jump to conclusions, it's important to explore the context behind his statement. First, let's talk about the role of AI in software development today. AI-driven tools, like GitHub Copilot, which is powered by OpenAI's language models, are already helping developers write code more efficiently. These tools can suggest code snippets, autocomplete lines of code, and even help with debugging. Essentially, they're acting as highly advanced assistants, making developers more productive. However, they don't entirely replace the need for human intervention yet. Zuckerberg's vision seems to be one where AI can not only assist but also autonomously handle large parts of the development process, especially in tasks that are repetitive or well-defined. Think about it. Software development often involves solving known problems, like building an e-commerce website or creating a mobile app with specific features. These kinds of projects have established patterns and frameworks that AI systems can learn and replicate. With the right algorithms and enough training data, an AI could theoretically take over these types of coding tasks without much need for human oversight. This might sound like a dream for businesses looking to cut costs or increase efficiency. After all, if AI could handle large chunks of the development process, companies wouldn't need to rely on as many software developers, at least for these more routine tasks. But the real question is, would this mean an end to human software developers altogether? It's important to realize that software development is not a one-size-fits-all endeavor. While AI is great at handling well-defined, structured tasks, it still struggles with the more creative and complex aspects of coding. This includes things like designing user experiences, making architectural decisions, and solving novel problems that haven't been encountered before. These are the areas where human developers still shine. AI might be able to write code, but it's still very much in the realm of human expertise to understand the broader context of a project and make decisions that balance technical feasibility with user needs. Moreover, developers are often required to collaborate with various stakeholders, clients, designers, product managers, and others to bring a software product to life. This requires a level of communication, understanding, and adaptability that current AI systems can't replicate. Developers are more than just code writers. They are problem solvers, collaborators, and strategists. AI, while powerful, has yet to master the nuances of human interaction, which is a key component of successful software development. So, is Zuckerberg's prediction exaggerated? Perhaps a little. While AI will undoubtedly continue to play an increasingly important role in automating certain aspects of development, it's unlikely to completely replace human developers in the foreseeable future. However, it's also clear that the nature of software development is changing, and developers will need to adapt. This brings us to an interesting point. What does this mean for the future of software developers? As AI tools become more sophisticated, developers may find themselves shifting from being purely coders to becoming AI managers. In this new paradigm, human developers will likely work alongside AI, guiding its development, supervising its output, and handling the higher-level decision-making that AI is still not capable of. This could lead to a shift in the skills developers need to succeed. Instead of spending most of their time writing boilerplate code, they'll focus more on problem-solving, design, and creative thinking. Some experts argue that this shift is not necessarily a bad thing, as AI handles more of the repetitive and mundane tasks. Developers will have more time to focus on the creative and challenging aspects of coding. This could lead to a renaissance in software development, where developers are able to push the boundaries of what's possible without being bogged down by time-consuming tasks like bug fixes or code refactoring. In fact, some suggest that the rise of AI in coding could actually lead to a more collaborative environment where humans and machines work together to create innovative software solutions. There's also the question of how AI will affect the job market for software developers. While Zuckerberg's comments suggest that AI could replace a large portion of developers, it's more likely that AI will augment the work of developers rather than fully replace them. This could lead to a shift in the types of developers needed in the industry. For instance, developers who specialize in AI, machine learning, and data science will become even more valuable as companies adopt these technologies. Similarly, developers who can bridge the gap between AI and human creativity will be in high demand. Furthermore, the rise of AI in software development could make coding more accessible to people without a traditional programming background. Tools that allow users to write code through natural language or visual interfaces could lower the barrier to entry, democratizing software development and allowing more people to participate in the tech industry. This could lead to a diversification of the workforce and an explosion of new ideas and innovations in the tech space. Of course, there are challenges to consider. The widespread use of AI in software development raises important questions about job displacement, ethics, and data privacy. If AI is handling sensitive coding tasks, how do we ensure that it's not inadvertently introducing security vulnerabilities? And what happens when AI-generated code goes wrong? Who is responsible? These are questions that the industry will need to address as AI continues to play a larger role in the development process. Let me know what you think. Do you agree with Zuckerberg's prediction? Or do you think AI will complement rather than replace developers? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you next time.